First you'll need to install a VCZ bottom elevator piece. Then place the elevator rotor above that. Make sure the orientation is correct or it will not work. Look inside and you'll see it looks like this. Then place fillers for any remaining space between the floors. Remove any blocks or other obstructions in the way in order to allow the elevator to pass through. Place the top elevator above the filler blocks in order to complete the elevator. Using the elevator is quite straightforward, just press the floor you want to go to.